recognize myself. You tore in two. Now I'm someone else. The times you found me weak and took me underneath, I failed to cast aside the voice of disbelief. Come back into these arms is what you begged of me. Commit to sacrifice, I'm crying to be free. And whoa, didn't they try to tell me? No, they can't hear me now. Before you, I recognize myself. You torn too, and now I'm someone else who can go on, not the way you do. 'Cause I've fallen, turning back and blue. Before you, the fire and light you choked and drowned inside of me. In toxic waves as far as naked eyes can see. I'd give anything to get it all back now that it's too far gone. And everyone talks but nobody knows the shadow that I've become. Before you, I recognize myself. You torn too. Now I'm someone else who can go on, not the way you do. 'Cause I've fallen, turning back and blue. Before you, no one, nowhere, nothing left to turn to. No more trying to fight for souls to burn through. Beyond forsaken skies, behind these clouded eyes, there was no place to hide away from you. With every step I tried to get away, my foolish heart and useless pain. For you, I could recognize myself.